Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pit Bulls. Hey, found my other thing to glue on. I think I'm going to leave it plain. And I was digging around on this thing. For stuffs. I'll be back. Okay, I found some more stuff. Okay, so yummy. I took a picture of something on that. Okay. Let's do the speedy thing. I know you're probably tired of that, but too bad. Okay, I painted it black last night during the live stream because I needed something to do for a hot minute, so that's what I did. We're going to use this in bright red. It's actually pink. So we're going to start with pink, and we're going to highlight it after that with some copper. And I put way too much paint on there. I can still tell what these are. They have meaning to me anyway, some of them. could do this all day. I could just paint the world black and do this. I see a red door and I want to paint it black. Da 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 da. Awesomeness. So tonight when I get back, we will throw some copper on that. Let me grab something real quick. I don't want to waste that paint. It goes in my Hemingway book. Doing pretty good. Got that zoomed in, forgot. And I'm gonna wash my brush because I'm trying to be good. Trying to be good. Okay, whoop. Got that gooped up there. I love it. Okay. Okay, so I did not actually mean to put all this copper on there without you, but I did. So we have pink and copper, and now we're going to add some blue because look at it. It's screaming for just a little bit of blue. And there may be purple involved too also. Don't judge me. I wish I'd put more stuff on there, and I'm almost half tempted to do it. But I got more stuff. I can do another one. Lord knows I got stuff. It's like a sickness. It's like I can't stop. I can't stop. Okay. Let's put that paint in my book. Can't seem to just put one little drop of paint anywhere. Just because we can. Can she do it? Oh, I know what I'm going to just do this. I guess I want people to say, is that purple? Is that blue? Is that pink? You are too coppery. Yeah, look at that. I mean, hello. Hello. I'm gonna call it good. Ooh, I love it. I love it a lot. So you too can do this, and trust me, just use this. What is the worst thing that could happen? I'm telling you, that ain't coming off of there. Be careful with it. Treat it like a piece of any other piece of art. Don't put it out in the rain. Put it up on the shelf, hang it on the wall. So, I think maybe I'll put a pop tab or something on the back later. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Here. And I'm going to maybe take it to work and hang it with my other ones. So, I don't know where my signs are. You know the drill. Please subscribe. I need friends. I need friends to show my cool stuff to. So, let's do some cool stuff and come back, because I got more stuff. And I got to make more stuff to get through this 100 Things Challenge. That's what we can do. That's it. But I saw my book fell. My book fell, but I picked it up. Okay. How quickly they forget to write things down. Number 44. Second. Metal. Mixed media piece. Mixed media piece. Yes. I approve. I approve of this. So, I'll see you next time.